Yo, I need producers who have a creative vision for what they think I should be saying. Please, if you look at me, if you see me, and there's something you think I should be saying that you make a song about it. You know what I'm saying? Even if it's a beat that you feel that channels that energy, that's a song already, right? Uh-huh. Because I'll tap into it. New song Chris has largely shaped me to this point, what I have been in the last few years, from Holiest News till date. Yeah. New song Chris has largely been responsible for that because of his Afro soul veering. You understand? Yeah. The guy no one problem. The guy ain't just one chill. So in music they very chill most times. Even when that's how it hits me though. That's how I translate it. Maybe to somebody's that chill is chaotic. So but what I see in it is so like it's calm, it's all day. So yeah, if you have an artistic direction for me to go, like I be all Lucy, you understand? Don't be all chill. You do have the luck it. You do have the luck. Father on man. Yeah. I'm for you father on man. Like in my how good if I are doing very good.